Dating pointers can assist women discover to play up their individual characteristics without pushing away potential dates or sacrificing their dignity. Whether it's a traditional dinner and a movie evening, an online date, or the start to a long-lasting relationship, these pointers can assist make the most of a woman's chance of dating success. General dating tips for women. No matter what type of date is planned, some general guidance can help any female appear for a date feeling better prepared and more confident. In other words, do not hesitate to discuss your life in general, but avoid details that might make it simple for a date to turn into a stalker or that may lead your date into making a snap judgment about your personality. Do not make presumptions about a male based upon physical appearance, education, or activities, just as you would not desire him to make such presumptions about you. Take it slow and let the relationship establish naturally as you get to understand one another. Dating overly possessive or insecure guys might cause a harmful scenario and dissatisfied relationship. Television programs, films, and popular publications promote the virtues of a model's body, perfect hair, and classic femininity, however that description matches very couple of women. That self-confidence and sincerity will bring in dates who respect and value you as a private instead of a prize. Action-oriented dating tips. How a woman acts is the key to keeping any man around. Even a goddess can lose a man with unsuitable behavior, so keep in mind of these action-oriented dating suggestions for females. Recognize that a lot of guys feel obliged to pay for a minimum of some part of a date. At the very same time, realize that he most likely isn't trying to indicate that you can't pay, so temper your attempts to pay with understanding. Do not hesitate to approach him if he doesn't approach you. Today's females can be more assertive in their dating routines, and you do not want another lattice forthrightness to catch his attention first. While lots of women feel being tardy is their prerogative, many guys are shut off by the regular practice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.